Good afternoon, everybody. It's Jed Joling with eXp Realty. It's May 8th, Monday today, and I've got another Southern Oregon market update. We've also got some data in from April and also a couple other things to note as well. So we'll jump right into it. Right now, between Jackson and Josephine counties, we have 907 active residential listings on the market. From where we were at a year ago today was 856, so we're up 5.6% on that count. This past week, first week of May, started off pretty good. We had 127 new listings, 117 went pending, 72 closed, and 24 off the market due to expired or canceled listing contracts. In comparing that to the 4-week average, we're up 12 on the new count, we're up 20 and 3/4 on the pending count, and we're up 5 on the closed count. Still down from what we were this week last year. We're down 26% on the new count, 24% down on the pending count, and 31% down on the closed count. The pending count at 117, that was the most that we had seen yet this year, so that was a very strong number. 127 was near the most we've seen also in new listings for a single week this year. Out of those 127 new listings, 18 of those are already pending. That's 14.2%. So all of this puts us at a snapshot of 2.91 months of inventory for just this week, and if we do the 4-week average, we're at 3.12 months of inventory. So we're gaining a little bit of inventory from where we were, which is good. We could definitely use more to shop on the market, and activity seems to be picking up as we're showing with the pending and the closed counts being up, and we're seeing more new listings, which is helpful. Mortgage rates today for the national average on a 30-year conventional fixed rate is 6.65%. 30-year FHA fixed rate is at 6.25%. So we could certainly use some help on the interest rates still. They are still high, higher than a lot of people are wanting to pay or that were shopping when they were at 3%. It's a big difference now from 3 to 6%. The Fed raised their funds rate this last week, just 0.25% again. This is anticipated to be the last rate hike that they do, but they also had said that about the last one. But right now they're statistically showing about a 9% chance that they are going to do another Fed fund rate hike this next month. So it's very low possibility they'll do that. In fact, they're anticipated to start cutting those again towards the end of the year, and that would certainly help with the mortgage rates. The CPI report will come out this Wednesday. We don't have that yet. The jobs report came out last week, and in April, our economy added 253,000 jobs, which is a strong number. Probably, I'm not sure if it was stronger than expected, but I believe it was. Wages are reported that they grew 4.4% year over year, and unemployment is at 3.4% currently. As far as April data, we've got the April data in locally here for Jackson and Josephine County, so we're just going to run right through that real quick. Jackson and Josephine, year over year sold residential listings were down 43.7%. And then if we break this out into volume, so the amount of dollars sold, the Jackson residential volume sold was down 51.4%. Josephine County residential volume sold was down 38.1%. So collectively, if we put all the numbers together, then we were down 48.6%, which is quite a bit when you're looking at millions and hundreds of millions of dollars. 48% is a lot to cut. Inventory moved up just over 3 months of inventory this last month, which is good. That'll help us out with the buyers and trying to find something that they're looking for. I've struggled lately finding people what they're looking for. There just isn't a whole lot to shop out there. Let's move to some of the stats here for Jackson County. So Jackson County, right now our average cumulative days on market is 55 days. That looked like it came down a little bit. Our sell to list ratio, so sold price to list price ratio, is 96%. For Josephine County, our average cumulative days on market is at 77 days, and sold to list ratio is at 93.5%. The key box activity compared to April of 2022 to April of 2023 is down 21.5%. And that about wraps up the most important data points we have from April. So all in all, it's still much slower than what we were in last year. Obviously closing a lot less dollars in volume and a lot less deals, 43.7 less residential listings selling now than there was this time last year. But activity's picking up. If interest rates were to come down into the fives, I'm sure we'd see a lot more activity pick up and a lot more people would be able to afford what they originally were looking for when the rates started to rise. So that's all I've got for today. If you guys are looking to buy, sell, you have any questions or just want to pick my brain, feel free to reach out via phone, text, Facebook message, email. I'm always happy to help. Love having conversations, and that's always something I appreciate. And that's it. So everybody have a good week, and we'll talk to you real soon.